Chengli Special Automobile Company Limited is a core enterprise of CLW Group, Chinese government-appointed large-scale manufacturer of different types of special vehicle. Chengli is located in southern suburbs of Chengdu District, Suzhou City, Hubei Province, which own totally 2 billion RMB assets, covers an area of more than 2,000 acres, with more than 8,000 employees, including 500 technicians, 2,000 skilled workers, annual production capacity of 100,000 special vehicles. As a large-scale automobile manufacturing group with China famous brand, Hubei famous brand, national high-tech enterprise, and China's top 500 private enterprises, Chengli shoulders the major mission of promoting the development of China's special vehicles. Chengli Special Automobile Company Limited holds an important share in the domestic and international markets. Its leading products include water sprinkler truck, garbage trucks, sweat trucks, sweeper truck, LPG tank truck series, fuel and chemical liquid tank truck, wrecker truck, a rail platform truck, fire truck, truck crane, refrigerated van truck, road maintenance vehicles, flatbed truck, box cement transport truck, LED and state truck, mobile food truck, concrete mixer truck, and other series of more than 800 types. Chengli is a professional leading company with the largest product variety, the most complete production qualification, first-class production equipment, and the most complete detection means in the same industry in China. Among all of Chengli's product, water sprinkler truck ranked top 1 in past 4 years. Sanitation truck ranked top 1 in past 3 years. Refrigerated truck ranked top 10 in past 5 years. Chengli's products exported to overseas customers including East Africa, Tanzania, Kenya, Uganda, and Malawi, West Africa, Nigeria, Ghana, Senegal, Togo, Benin, Niger, South America, Peru, Bolivia, Panama, and Chile, Asia market, Mongolia, Myanmar, Philippines, Singapore, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Cambodia, and Vietnam, etc. Chengli actively attended different kinds of exhibitions, such as LPG Summit, Tanzania, Bauma, China, 4th Asia LPG Summit, Bangladesh, ITIF Asia 2018 in Pakistan, etc.